So you all, hello friends, welcome to another video. Today I want to show you how to make this delicious meal. Oh my goodness. Fufu, cabbage, and okra soup. My goodness, this is so yummy. So guys, if you want to see how I make this, you gotta stay tuned because I'm gonna make everything so you can see. So let's go to the kitchen. All right. So, welcome to the kitchen. Let me show you today what I'm making. Yeah, I was craving this fufu and beef stew with okra all day long. I put my flank/bones to cook earlier on in the day, so because I wanted to cook slowly, and now it's halfway cooked. It's time to put in the okra. I'm gonna show you all. Don't worry, I'm gonna show you all. Guys, I don't know, like even to get this meat, I couldn't find it in any regular stores. Like it was just crazy. I won't even go into detail where I had to go to get this meat. I'm telling you, okay? Anytime I want to cook Caribbean or African food, I just cannot find the ingredients where I live. It's just like non-existent where I live. And guys, when I have to cook my food, let me tell you, okay? I have to swim through rivers, swim through seas, climb mountains, go down valley, and even sometimes take an airplane to get my food, okay? Guys, I'm making light and joke of this because it is funny, but I do have to travel so far to get ingredients to make my stuff. But anyways, my hubby took me to another province. Yes, I went to another province and we drove 2.5 hours away, and I was able to find some African stores, my favorites, and I stocked up on all my Caribbean stuff. So let's make the thing now, okay? Enough chatting. So let me show you my beautiful meat. So I have my meat here in the pressure cooker. I did not pressure cook it. I just had it cooking slowly. Look how lovely that look. Okay, looking so good. I have the stove on very low, and I'm just keeping the cover lightly on it. I have my water boiling over here. And so let's add the fufu. I have 2 sets of fufu. I have this leftover plantain and yam fufu. And then I have this cocoa yam fufu. And we're gonna mix the two together because, you know, I wanted to do this one, but I don't have enough. So we're just gonna mix both of them together and make a delicious fufu. So I like to take my pot off the stove when I'm making fufu because I don't want it to make a lump. And I like to use my long handle spoon. I have extra water on the side just in case. So yeah, I'm gonna take some water out actually. Take out some water. I feel this water is a little bit much. Okay. And let's slowly add our fufu. I'm gonna go in with this. Just a little bit. It's gonna look a little bit lumpy, but don't worry. It just looks like that. It's gonna be fine. And let me see if I can get this open. Then we're gonna go in with this. I'm gonna put about half. And the color is gonna change, but don't worry about it. I like to stir it up like this. Looking amazing. Then I'm gonna put it on. Put my thing on really low. I'm gonna add some water. It looks lumpy a bit, but don't worry about it. It's gonna be all nice and smooth. Keep adding some more water on it. And you want to add water until it reaches the right consistency. Okay? Now I'm going to leave it like that. It's just the right consistency. I'm going to scrape all the goodness out. Then we're going to cover it and leave it to cook. Okay, put a cover over it. And we're gonna leave that to cook for about 10 minutes. Keep checking on it, make sure it doesn't burn. Make sure the fire is very, very low. Now let's move on to the okra. Guys, I am using this okra. This is frozen okra. And I went to the store to buy regular fresh okra. When I see the price, like $6 for a tiny bit of okra in a little thing, in a little tray, I'm like, nah, that's not gonna happen. Okay? I'm not buying it. I need more okra than that. So I went into the frozen section and I see this for $1.69. Like, what's going on? What's going on with these prices? It's just crazy. I wanted fresh okra. But anyways, it is still okra. And I have twice the amount than what was in the packet for like $6.50, something like that. Like, crazy. Let's cut it up and add it to our meat. Here's my okra. Nice and washed, ready to go to the pot. You all, if you are making fufu, you are going to definitely get a workout. You need some good muscles in those arms to keep turning and stirring that fufu. I'm telling you, I love fufu, but it takes a lot of work with the arm to get this fufu nice, smooth, and perfect. So, yeah, that's what I'm trying to achieve right now. Look at those arms go, and look how smooth that fufu is looking. So, you all, you cannot make fufu and your okra soup without having some kind of greens, okay? It's just a no. My greens are frozen in the fridge and I'm too lazy to take them out, but I love cabbage. So we are going to make some cabbage. Let's cut it up. excited to eat it. Let me give you a little peek. Let me give you a little peek before I put it in the plate so we can start to eat. Here is my daughter's plate. Looking so yummy. Okay, Lara, here's your food. Ooh. Mm. 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 When you make African food, you have to eat it with your fingers. It just does not taste the same if you try to eat it with a fork or some knife or something, okay? Sorry, y'all. Anyways, let me eat my food, yeah.